Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am unboxing the P.Louise Lip Base collection. I've just got this literally like 20 minutes ago, knocked on the door with this beauty. This is how it comes, literally like my postage and everything is on the back. So this is the actual package. Usually it's in a different box. This is beautiful. Like, look at this. This is I think it says, babe, it's Pisces season. This was released for Paige's birthday, which was very recently. She's a Pisces, so it's all like fishes and it's beautiful. Like, look at this. Anyway, so it says warning, waves of magic inside. I've not even opened it, so let's do this. I hate these kind of boxes because I can never get open them. Oh, that was satisfying. That was very satisfying. Okay, so when we open the box, oh, so this is the full collection. So it says, babe, as I celebrate my birthday, my only wish is simple. I wish for you to see the world for what it is, a place filled with endless colour, beauty and adventure. I hope that you will remember who you are and what you can do with all that fire inside you. I wish for you to see the best in people, to choose kindness, decency and grace. Babe, I hope that you will always end the day with a clean heart. I wish for you to see the open sky, to see the stars and know they are ready for you to shine. I hope that you will always have the strength to love hard, dream wide and create a life full of magic. I love everything else. Above everything else, I hope that you will never stop wishing. Every great possibility begins with a wish. And then it's signed Paige XOXO, which just makes me think about Gossip Girl. Like, she always has these beautiful like messages in her products, in her boxes and everything, always. And then you get this card. P.Louise, thank you for your order, babe. Now dive into your potential. Like, the artwork and the packaging with P.Louise stuff is the best. It is stunning, and I don't like pink, so for me to really like her packaging is crazy. So it all comes in this little box. Obviously you get your pay slip. At the minute, the full collection, which is worth £110, is on sale for £80. For the full collection there is 11, and I believe individually they are £10 each. So let's open this. Oh, so you can see I've got them all. I'm just gonna dump them out into my box just so that I can get to them. The idea with these is you can use them on their own or you can mix them. So you can take like two random colours, mix them and create a unique colour. You can take as many as you want, create a unique colour for your lip, and already I can tell you these are going to be a makeup artist's dream. So you don't have to take like 60 different lipsticks. You can take these and you can create whatever colour that you need for the occasion. Oh, what's this? Oh, cute. So she sent me one of the little tiny versions of the eye base. So this is the one that I use. There is a smaller version as well. So this one's yellow. I've got a base shade in this, but this is the first one I grabbed. So you've got the tiny one, which I'm going to save and I'm going to put in like a giveaway. And then you've got the regular size and then the large, which I get. There is also a bigger one after this. Where did that go? So then there's one which is massive, which should be here, but I don't have it. But yeah, so that's really cute. I'm gonna keep this, put it to a side, and that will go in a giveaway for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so I've got a little bit of lip balm and lip liner on. I'm gonna wipe that off real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna lip swatch each individual shade, no lip liner, nothing underneath. If I can open my mirror. Naked lips. So let's go in first off. So this one is Stark Naked. I don't know how to apply these. I don't know if to apply it with this or with a brush, but I'm going to start off like this. Let's see. Okay, so the best way I found of applying this was to add a little bit on the bottom lip, spread it out with my finger, kind of do that a little bit, and then finish it off with my finger. Of course, you could use a brush. I wasn't a fan of just like straight applying it like this. This is the shade Stark Naked. This would look gorgeous with a dark brown lip liner. NYX Urban Cafe would be my go-to. Dark lip liner, blend it in a little bit, and then this over the top would be stunning. Really comfortable, hydrating but not too hydrating. They're not glossy. They're matte, but they're more of a velvet matte. They're not like dry lips out, harsh matte. They're really comfortable matte, and these I saw on the website dry down to a velvet matte within 60 seconds. Yeah, they're not emphasizing, well, this one is not emphasizing any texture or lines in my lips. It feels like a really nice lightweight lipstick, like a matte lipstick, not too matte, like a traditional lipstick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off and let's go through the rest. This one is semi-nude. This is beautiful. When this dries down, again, the last three shades with a dark lip liner, and then these, game over, stunning. With this, oh, yes, every single shade is just gorgeous. Classy. This I feel like would be like perfect to go to work in. Like, it's not super in your face, but it's enough. No lip liner, just this would be beautiful. And I think you can use these as like blush as well. I would even say you could maybe use them on the eye. I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't know if they are eye safe, but I feel like if you want something really like soft, you could take a little bit of this, tap it across your lid, use it as blush, use it on the lips, and you're good to go, you know? You can see they dry down to this beautiful semi-matte, demi-matte kind of finish, which is stunning. This is Devour. All Night. This is probably my favourite so far out of them all. Stunning, and you only need a tiny little bit. Unbutton. Left on red, my lips are getting sore. Bad Intentions. This is gorgeous. And then this is Relentless Rouge. Not the best swatches towards the end. My lips got very sore, not from the product, but from removing the product with cotton swabs. Cotton pads rather, but super light amount of product, like tiny, like if I just grab this one, which I literally just squeezed out like that much, like tiny amount, like next to nothing, swiped it across my bottom lip and then tapped it out the rest of my lip with my finger. Stunning. Now what I do want to do is I want to take the lightest shade and I want to put this in the center and just see if I can ombre these. Yes, you can. Stunning. Okay, so that has made me very, very happy. So from what I've heard, what I've read, what I've seen, these were designed to be able to mix them to create your own individual shades. They will perform the same no matter where or how you mix them. They will perform and wear the same because of the same formulation. It's just a different pigment in there. I'm really liking these. Yes, £80 for 11 lip products might be expensive to some, but I really don't think it is. I spent like £20–30 on a lipstick and don't have an issue with that. They feel amazing. They feel so nice on the lip. They're hydrating apparently. I don't know if they feel hydrating, but they don't feel drying, which for me is almost better than being hydrating. I know that these are going to set down to a matte, but a comfortable matte, which is what I've got now. It's a very comfortable matte. It doesn't feel like it is sucking the life out of my lip, but it doesn't feel like it's hydrating my lip. They don't feel sticky. They feel like a really good lipstick, like a traditional bullet lipstick, a really good long wearing traditional lipstick that you can mix and match. You can take two shades. Let's take this. So I'm going to just take two random colours. And where's my palette? So I'm going to take a tiny amount of this. This one is, what is this? This is Left on Red. And then I just picked out like a random one. This one is Whipped. So I'm going to put about the same amount on, tiny amount. So you can see the two shades there. I'm gonna just mix them and you can create a unique shade, which I love. Look at that. That is gorgeous. You can do this with them all and you can create your own individual shadows and shades, and you can create a really beautiful lip with this. I'm actually going to tap this on over. Okay, so technically I have, what, 4 different shades on my lips. They don't feel thick, they don't feel heavy, they don't feel like I'm weighing my lips down. They're not accentuating any lines in my lips. They don't feel horrible in any sort. They feel really nice actually. My little cloth. Yeah, I rate these. I think if you like a lip product, I would go with these. If you loved matte liquid lipsticks but you hate how dry they are, I would say give these a go because they're not drying. They're not drying at all, but they give that matte liquid lip look, and I can see these lasting a really long time wear time. Yeah, I'm giving these like a massive thumbs up. I love these. Yeah, these are going to be my new like go-to product for my lips. I think that is everything for today's video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.